Hmm. Just take a look at this majestic bird. Isn't he beautiful? Anyway, what I wanted to share with you is this bit of information. Google is amassing the world's largest library, one that will contain every book in the world, a place that will include all of man's knowledge to date. Every bit of information will be in this one place. I, for one, will be delighted. I have read one or two books myself, and I found that many so-called authors simply rephrase what has been said before, and the audience, of course, not being familiar with the original text, finds the current messenger's words to be profound. I get a kick out of that. It is a little known fact that the library in Alexandria, Egypt, was a sore point with the educated clergy at the time. Too much information was readily available, and with knowledge, people were moving away from their devotions to the gods. Actually, that library was a collection of libraries, a museum too, housing the works of such philosophers as Aristotle. Nobody really knows when this library was started in Alexandria, Egypt, but it is believed to be around 300 BC. Nor is there a specific reason why it was destroyed by fire. Thank heavens it was a common practice for scholars to visit the library in Alexandria, Egypt, and make copies of what they had learned and take this information back to their own countries. In looking at this bird today, my thoughts ran along the line of knowledge. No matter how much I read, I cannot shake the idea that I know so very little. This bird seems to have the answer. Patience. Never cease my quest for knowledge and self-discovery, but do so with patience. Knowledge is useless until applied, even if that application is to acquire more knowledge. Yes, this bird seems to have the answer. Patience is what I need. I really need to have more patience when I'm in the company of those who know everything.